One of the amazing things about yoga is its variety of options when it comes to choosing a method to practice. There are numerous types of yoga, which is amazing because our physical needs are not always the same. Sometimes we want to just stretch, other times we want to do an exercise that will make us sweat, while other times we just want to keep fit. Yoga caters for all your needs by providing you with different types of yoga. Here they are. 1. Vinyasa. Vinyasa is a fast-paced type of yoga. Its main aim is usually to link your movement and breath together with a series of yoga poses in a dance-like way. In Vinyasa classes, teachers usually put on music that the students use to create a continuous flow from one movement to the other. In short, they match their movements with the beats. In Vinyasa, flow is very important, and that is why some people refer to Vinyasa classes as flow classes. If you love high-intensity workouts, then Vinyasa is the thing for you. 2. Hatha. Hatha yoga is a blanket term that stands for different types of yoga. It is among the first yoga styles to be discovered, and it is mainly a combination of pranayama, breathing exercise, and asanas, yoga postures. The method is usually about you linking your poses with your breath, which helps bring peace and relaxation to your mind and body. In a Hatha class, you can expect to hold on to each pose for long and have a slow pace when transitioning from one pose to another. This method is good for you as a beginner because it doesn't put as much pressure on your body as Vinyasa does. Therefore, if you are a fan of relaxation yoga, then this should be what you want to do. 3. Iyengar. Iyengar yoga is more detailed and precise than Hatha and Vinyasa. In an Iyengar yoga class, you are normally taught to hold on to a pose for a certain period while focusing on the musculoskeletal alignment within each yoga posture. In this method, you are allowed to use props such as ropes, wall, straps, blankets, and yoga blocks, among others. These props are mostly meant to create a safe and effective environment that helps you be as detail-oriented as you are supposed to be when performing Iyengar yoga movements. Iyengar yoga is right for you if you love paying attention to details. It is also good if you have injuries. 4. Ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga is a challenging but orderly type of yoga. This method normally consists of 6 series of sequenced yoga poses that increase in difficulty as you move from the first pose onwards. When you attend an Ashtanga class, a yoga teacher normally leads you through the 6 poses while she encourages you to breathe over each pose to build internal heat. The idea of this method is to make you perform 6 poses in the exact same order. The process is usually fast, vigorous, and challenging. As a beginner, it is best if you try Hatha or Vinyasa before going to Ashtanga, or you can master one series, move to the next, and so on until you perfect the method. 5. Bikram yoga. Bikram yoga normally consists of a series of 26 postures and 2 breathing techniques that are supposed to be practiced in a room that is 105 degrees and 40% humidity for over 1.5 hours. It is important to point out that there are numerous types of yoga out there. We cannot highlight all of them, so we have just given you the common types of yoga that you need to know as a beginner. In 2016, Yoga Journal and Yoga Alliance conducted a study called Yoga in America, which found that there were 36.7 million people practicing yoga in the United States, a 50% increase from 2012. The rise in popularity can be attributed to the many benefits of yoga. Here are some of the benefits that answer the question, why should you do yoga? 1. Relieve stress. Yoga's breathing exercises lower heart rate, shift the nervous system into a relaxed state, and slow down mental loops of fear, anger, regret, and frustration. This helps with focus, sleep, and relaxation, and lowers the stress hormone cortisol. 2. Helps manage diabetes. Yoga helps counter diabetes by reducing contributing factors such as stress, and postures that contract and relax areas of the abdomen stimulate the pancreas to improve insulin production and manage blood sugar levels. 3. Boosts immunity. The movement of organs around the body during yoga increases the drainage of lymph, a viscous fluid rich in immune cells, which improves the body's immunity to internal and external attacks. 4. Increases happiness. Meditation during yoga helps unplug from thoughts and focus on the present moment, leading to happiness. 5. Increases flexibility. Yoga postures work the whole body, including forgotten joints, leading to a sense of balance and harmony, and muscles work together, making the body more flexible. 6. Helps with sleep. Physically challenging postures and mental relaxation lead to exhaustion and downtime for the nervous system, which eliminates stress and thoughts that keep one awake at night, resulting in better sleep. 7. Builds muscle strength. Yoga builds muscle strength, which guards against conditions like back pain and arthritis, through muscle regeneration and bodyweight training during yoga postures that require support from the muscles.